heating up here. Really strong breath. Go ahead and press up. 4, 3, 2, and last one, hold it up. Go ahead and find center and release right back down. We'll move through a little flow on either side. So right hand, left leg reaches out, crunch it in, extend, press up, and release. Switch sides, extend, crunch, extend, up, and release. So moving with our breath, we'll inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and release. Switching sides, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and release. Flowing with this flow. Really engage with the core, pressing. Our full body's totally engaged here. Keeping our gaze down towards our mat to keep our spine in alignment from our tailbone all the way up to our neck. One more time each side. Holding it up this time, we'll see if we can reach back for that opposite foot. If this isn't happening today, don't worry about it. Just like to give you guys a little bit of an option. Go ahead and switch sides. We'll reach out, move through that flow, crunch in, reach out and reach up. If you'd like, you can bend into that back knee, reach back for the foot. Big stretch in the shoulder as well here.